What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is mystery unboxing from a YouTuber named Stefanuik. So when he introduced his mystery box, I was kinda hesitant. Then I was kinda I want to do it because he was doing this mystery box. Including in this mystery box is a Jordan Dior. So I said, hey, why not? And for disclosure, this unboxing or review of this item is for a consumer standpoint. I'm not affiliated with Tom or anything. I bought this with all my own money, and I would like to share my experience, expectation, and observation regarding this matter. So, without further ado, let's do this. So, first off, the cost of this mixer box is $49.99, and if you got lucky, you could win a Jordan Dior. So $49.99, that's not bad. So I think why not? Why not try it? Because actually, this is my first time doing a mystery box, buying from a YouTuber. So I said, why not? He is a kind of popular YouTuber, and let's just say he had reputable person, so why not try? So before we unbox this one, when I saw this one on my doorstep, I said, what is this? I said, first one, we are buying mystery box, right? So we are expecting something that there is a mystery. That's why we call it mystery box, right? Mystery. So mystery inside the box. Okay, because we were hoping that there is something special, that there is the Jordan Dior, maybe the Jordan Dior inside the box. Even though it's not that possible, yes, that's why we call it mystery. We imagine when we receive the box, this might be some kind of mysterious inside of it. Box. Complaint? Observation? If we think that there is a mystery inside of it, that we think that there's some kind of shoes or something in there, at least put it in a bigger box, like a bigger than the actual shoes. Imagine this one. This is the box of the mystery box. This is a 7.5 shoes. Check out the height, width, and everything. Okay? Now the mystery is gone. Come on. That's what we call mystery. We think there is possibility that we might get something shoe. Yes, if it's not possible, then at least put it in some kind of bigger box that it might be something, a shoe inside. That's why we call it mystery box. But that's why we like to get something that mystery. The excitement opening a box that you think there is something special in there. Now it's gone. Imagine. At least there is a decency to put it in a bigger box. Number two, I would like to point out the amount of this mystery box is $49.99. The price should be transparent with the post, and they're supposed to put the actual price. I don't know what's going on, but check out the price right there. If it showed up, hope it's clearly. It says here $24. There's something right there. Number 3, again, mystery box. And we look, and if I'm looking into this sticker, it says here 2 t-shirt. He is also selling shirt in his website. So I look into it. You can see it right there closely. And the t-shirt, he was selling t-shirt for some are mostly $25 for the t-shirt. Now the mystery is gone. Now I don't have the excitement to open this one. Like, wow. Okay, let's see. There we go. It has here the thank you card. Thank you for shopping. Got some sticker here. Okay, so we got one shirt, and is this a tumbler? A plastic tumbler with some kind of smiley emoji. Now we're moving on to the not a mystery no more, because we already know we have two shirts. But hey, let's open this one. It has a Gildan brand. Feel and real Stefanuik. I'm not feeling this. Printing, not a good printing. There's some excess right there. I've been doing printing way back when I was in the Philippines, and I should say oh no. Okay. What we got here? Oh, it's look like the cows. Those like a figurine cows. I think the quality of the shirt, it could be more high quality, because these are the Gildan shirt, and mostly, okay, let's see how much they are in. So I found here a 6-pack of Gildan men's crew t-shirt, or 6 pieces of Gildan shirt, black, $17.99. So divide that to $17.99 divided by 6. That should be somewhere around $3. The printing is just like flat printing, especially this black one. What my expectation observation on this one? I would say disappointed. That's all I could say. Maybe I've been expecting too much. The box, the price, and also when you look into the actual quality of the shirt. So what do you think on this mystery box from Stefanuik? Our to recommend this mystery box, I don't know, a little too much. I would say a little too much. But then, this is just me as a consumer, have also the right to point out what is my observation on what I'm buying. So my point of view, the mystery box, the mystery is gone. Yep, and that's it. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't like it, and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.